Ever wondered how to cook perfect bacon in the oven? Perhaps it's a question that's crossed your mind, or maybe it's a culinary concept you've yet to explore. Well, today we're diving into the sizzling world of oven-cooked bacon. And trust us, it's a game changer. Oven-cooked bacon, you see, holds some crispy advantages over its pan-fried counterpart. First off, it offers a more even cooking experience. No more half-burnt, half-raw slices. You'll get uniformly cooked, golden brown strips every single time. And let's not forget the mess, or rather, the lack of it. Oven cooking means waving goodbye to grease-splattered stovetops. Lastly, it frees you up to multitask. While your bacon sizzles away to perfection, you can whip up some pancakes or scramble some eggs. So, are you ready to elevate your breakfast game and discover the magic of oven-cooked bacon? Stay tuned, because we're about to embark on a journey to bacon nirvana. Ready to transform your breakfast game? Stay tuned. Mastering oven-cooked bacon requires just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins with a warm-up, preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ideal temperature to ensure that your bacon sizzles to perfection without burning. While the oven is gradually heating up, you can move on to the next step. Grab a baking sheet and line it with foil. This not only makes for easy cleanup, but it also ensures the bacon cooks evenly. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the bacon. Lay out the bacon strips on the foil-lined baking sheet. Make sure they're not overlapping. Each strip needs its own space to cook properly. Once the bacon is all set and the oven is preheated, slide the tray into the oven. Now, patience is key. Let the bacon cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You can adjust the cooking time depending on your preference for crispiness. Remember, the longer it cooks, the crispier it gets. When the timer dings, your delicious oven-cooked bacon is ready. But there's one final step. Carefully use tongs to transfer the bacon from the baking sheet to a paper towel-lined plate. This helps to drain off any excess grease, leaving you with perfectly crispy, not too greasy bacon. Voila! You've just cooked perfect bacon in the oven. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, and remember, great cooking is all about patience and practice. So, there you have it, the secret to perfect oven-cooked bacon. Start by arranging your bacon on a baking sheet, then pop it into a preheated oven. Check halfway through to ensure even cooking. If you're dealing with thicker cuts, you might need to adjust your cooking time. And don't forget, leftover bacon stores well in the fridge. Now go, impress your family and friends with your newfound culinary skill. And remember, the key to perfect bacon is in the oven.